Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to explore this Asphalt 9 actually. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, guys, let's start the game. But we have the basic car. Okay, here we are. Let's start. Okay, who are those? Okay, the drivers actually. Actually, they are not in those suits. It's just for graphics. Okay, let's start. Okay, the graphic is good and the controlling is very good. Yeah, I got. Okay, I am nearer to the first car. Meanwhile, I may be the second. Yes, I am the second. Okay, let's try to hit. Okay, that's one nitro. Yeah. Okay, this is the super fast. Okay, the hills are going down. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, I am the third. So where did I come from? Okay, let's crash him down. Okay, why that helicopter is moving like that? And there is no need of helicopter. Okay, that road might be good, but let's see. Wow, the control is very good and very cool. Because in the air, if you turn left or right, it's actually moving. Okay, I am the first here, the first one in this race. Let's take this nitro. Oh man, I missed. Actually, as you drift like this, okay, I didn't notice that. If you drift like that, your nitro will boost itself. Yeah, that's crazy and cool, man. Here it goes. Okay, here's the finish point. And finish it fast. Yeah, I'm the first to complete this race, and with this which car? Dodge. Okay, actually the Dodge is not like this. It's just like looking like a Chevrolet car. Okay, and upgrade to the next car. Actually, I need a Lamborghini car. Lambo. Let me sort this and get into the another car. Get new car. Actually, this graphic is quite good when comparing to the others, and the storage is also even more. Oh wow, I got a new car. Yeah, Audi R8. Yes, it's nice. Okay, let's start with a new map. Okay, or the same. Okay, no? It's a new map. Yeah, we are in this game Audi R8. Okay, they are not the players actually. Okay, yeah, this is me. This is my car. Yeah, quite cool. Cool, buddy. Let's hit someone. Can I hit this speed? Okay, I didn't notice that. Okay, as you drift, the nitro is actually increases automated. Okay, where do I come? Okay, let's. Is this the way? Or did I miss? Yeah, actually, I think I have missed. Oh man, I am out of the circuit itself. But can I have anything to get into? Yes. Yeah, I finally got. Mm, they are actually coming from that side. Oh man, okay. I tried my best. Once again, yeah, this controlling is quite good. Yeah, I like this. I like the most the controlling, the control panel. Okay, let's hit that and one jump to increase the nitro. Yeah, here I go. Again, once again. Okay, okay, the rewards are getting cool. And let's make this nitro increase just by drifting. The healthy drifting is quite good. Let's take this nitro too and get away from him. I'll just lead this race. Yeah, the graphics are good. I So this game didn't compromise with the graphics. Okay, I'm the first. Yeah. Okay, it's just a close call, but still I tried. Okay, I should ask, see for about the updates or upgrade in the workshop about this car. Okay, where is the workshop? So we need to get upgrade about the turbos and engines. Uh, okay, this has been opened. Okay, that's the map. Okay, where can I get? Okay, that's quite. Oh my god, this is the my dream car. Yeah, this is not only for me, but many many people in this world have this car as its their dream car, the Mustang. Okay, can I get this? So, okay, how many cost? How many have? Do okay? I have 3,897 coins. Okay, this requires another coin. Okay, it's here A. Okay, I don't have that. Any upgrades? Yes, there are upgrades. But how do I get color? The yellow is quite good looking. What is this? Oh, Maserati. Okay, let's start the race. Yeah, here on. Let's start the game. Yeah, this game is quite interesting. The graphics are too good. Yeah, I just love it. Here is my car. I love. Okay, since whenever the game starts or the race starts, I am the last one to start. Okay, I initially knocked out that. Okay, he had got hit by himself. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, let's hit the car. I tried, but I didn't. Oh man, I got lost. Okay, let's don't leave this as like. Okay, I am the fourth one. Mm, I am the third one here. Okay, let's try to hit that car. Okay, we are in the same speed. In that cases, it won't be like a similar one or the. I can't just hit like that. If he's too slow or if I am the too slow, then if anyone just hit to me, my car will be breakable. Okay, where it just entered. Oh man. See, these are the loopholes. Even this car The Play Store, the app owner can't do anything. Then how could I manage any drift areas? Yeah, this curve is good. Maybe I'm the first? Yeah, I'm the first. Yeah, okay guys, it's quite crazy game, and let's end up the video here, and I will be coming back to you with a better game, and this game is too good and I can review that, and I will continue to play and you will get the future videos. So I will meet you in the next one with a different game. Chata, bye bye.